Hello everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today we're going to show you how to make kebab digi, which is a very easy recipe and is one of the most favorite Persian meals. I'm going to show you the ingredients. Here is the ingredient. I have 1 pound of organic extra lean ground beef, one medium-sized onion that's grated already. I have sumac, I have turmeric, pepper and salt to taste. But if you want to know the exact measure, that's 1 teaspoon of sumac and 1 teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of pepper and half a teaspoon of salt, but you can add more if you like to. And the first thing you do, you mix them all together and make a ball. There we go. We add everything together and then mix it really well. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees and then meanwhile just put 1 spoon of your favorite oil. I put avocado oil because it has absolutely no taste whatsoever, and just rub it all over the bottom of this pan, and then just take this, put it here, make it soft and flat to cover the entire thing. This is going to be very similar to kebab kubide, and the only difference is kebab kubide is usually on a skewer and on charcoal. This is much easier because you're making it in the oven and it's fast and convenient. Make sure you're going to spread it evenly on the tray. I spread the meat evenly, and now I'm going to create lines. The reason I create these lines is this kebab is going to cook thoroughly, and then it looks like kebab kubide. And then you do these indentations. I set the oven to 375 to preheat. I'm going to put this in the oven for 35 minutes on 375. I have sliced 3 big tomatoes and I put them in a big pan and I let it gently fry with just 1 teaspoon of avocado oil. Tomatoes are sizzling, so I'm going to add some sumac to the tomatoes. Tomatoes are cooked on one side, so I'm going to turn it and let the other side cook, and then I'm going to add more sumac to the tomatoes. I melted a little bit of butter to add it to the rice and kebab, and also I prepared a little bit of saffron to add it to the rice and kebab. Now I'm going to add the saffron to the butter. This is called saffron butter. It's absolutely delicious, gorgeous. Kebab is ready, and this is what we do. We put the rice first, then kebab on the side. We add the tomatoes to the plate, and we add some saffron, which is already melted, mixed with melted butter, to the rice and to the kebab. This is going to be unbelievable, heavenly. Dinner is ready. We have our chelo kabab, which is the kebab digi, mast khiyar dough, and sumak. You can see the mast khiyar and dough in another video with tadig. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Bon appetit, Nusha Jam. Love you all. Till next video.